yung sinasabi ng ibang vlogger na wala itong bayad pero makakakuha ka ng premyo. So hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is a new vlog for me guys, just to give you an honest review of this online game na tinatawag na Jackpot Eggs. So may nakita akong vlog nito sa FB, so trinay ko kung totoo, which is naabot ko na yung mga stages guys, pero marami kang ads na dadaanan, at saka sometimes it takes you to have an accelerated spin, so matagal na days, parang more than a month, depende kung kailan ako vacant, ma-open ko to na app. But for me guys, the game is not interesting, at saka marami siyang ads. Though makikita mo may lumalabas siyang mga matanggap na daw, pero for me, honestly speaking, hindi siya totoo. So if you like to have fun just to kill your time, okay naman to. Pero for me, it's a waste of time. So kung makita mo yung previous seconds ng paglalaro ko dito guys, malayo na din yung naabot ko. So ito ay babala. Hindi totoo na magkaroon ka ng big win or kikita dito. So hanap ka na lang sa iba. So that's it guys. Thank you for watching. Bye.